Hello and welcome to this next tutorial for Sunderland Information Point. For this video we're going to try and search for information using the categories function of the site. And for this example we're going to try and find a school in a specific part of Sunderland to meet my requirements. So for the first section I'm going to search into the family section out of the main three. And then I'm going to go into the schools section as it's the most relevant. And then from here, you can see that there are a number of listed services which are related to schools. You can see in the category it has already pre-selected the schools option, but I have a further option of nursery education and schools. For other categories there may be more subsections. But for this example, I'm going to choose just the schools. We also have filters which can help make our search more specific and help filter down this rather lengthy number. As you can see, there are certain preset filters, as for example age bands, which is telling us there is one that fits this criteria, as well as it being in a local offer universally, which again is being one. There are also the postcode area coverage, of which it is again split into the amount listed. So for this example, I'm going to select SR2. And so I can find specific services that fit my particular requirement without having to use the manual search. And that's all that is for the category search for Sunderland Information Point.